Is it the right time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we're going to delve deep into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, November 3, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 24, 2023, our system has identified Microsoft as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 6.20. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 6.74%. This translates to an average daily return of 0.75% since it was labeled as a strong buy candidate. The stock has recently broken the weak rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of rising. If there is any pullback, there will be support at the current trend broken at $345.35. This level might provide a second opportunity to capitalize on the stock's upward movement. Fan theory suggests that $373.39 could be the next potential resistance level, which may not be easily surpassed in the first attempt. Looking at the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 3.55% change expected in the next 3 months, with a possible return between -6.87% and 1.36%. As for the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected 44.66% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 33.13% to 62.90%. This translates to a price range of $469.68 to $574.70 after 12 months. Our latest update on Microsoft reveals that the stock price increased by 1.29% on Friday. On the last trading day, which was Friday, November 3, 2023, the Microsoft stock price rose from $348.32 to $352.80, marking a gain of 1.29%. This marks the 6th consecutive day of gains for Microsoft stock. While it is unusual for stocks to gain for so many days in a row, it is common to see some dips or corrections after such a streak. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $347.33 and a high of $354.39, representing a 2.03% fluctuation. In the past 10 days, the stock price has risen in 9 of them, resulting in an overall increase of 8% over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume of shares traded decreased by 518,000, with a total of 22 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $7.93 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $366.78, while the lowest price was $213.43. Currently, the stock is trading at a price 3.81% or $13.98 below its 52-week high of $366.78, which also happens to be its all-time high. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, HSBC upgraded its rating for Microsoft to buy. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Bernstein rated Microsoft as outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, Wedbush gave Microsoft a outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, October 24, 2023, Citigroup rated Microsoft as overweight with a hold action. On Tuesday, October 24, 2023, Jefferies upgraded its rating for Microsoft to buy with a hold action. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a strong buy rating overall. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio also as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we will be looking at the signals for Microsoft stock. Based on the analysis, both short and long-term moving averages suggest a positive outlook for the stock, indicating a buy signal. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals also supports a buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of market corrections, the stock finds support at $340.04 and $327.74 levels. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, and since then the stock has risen by 7.6%. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could be an early warning sign and requires close monitoring of the stock. It's important to note that there are also some negative signals that may impact the stock's short-term development. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Today, let's explore some interesting signals to consider in your trading strategy. Moving average convergence divergence, it's showing a sell signal. Pivots, there was a buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal occurred 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, it generated a buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was observed 22 days ago. Now, let's look at the relationship between the short and long moving averages. It indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, here's what we find. The short-term moving average, it showed a buy signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal occurred 6 days ago. Again, let's consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages. It indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to explore more signals and enhance your trading knowledge. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Microsoft. Microsoft stock has found support from accumulated volume at $340.67. This level may present a buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. The stock tends to have controlled movements overall, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low in this stock. Looking at the recent performance, the stock had a price range of $7.06 between its high and low in the last day, which accounts for a 2.03% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.81%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's start by discussing some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Microsoft's P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is typically observed in companies with a long track record or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.74. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at potential day trading levels for Microsoft. When it comes to resistance, there's no significant barrier from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. As a trader, you may want to consider entering a position and utilizing volume indicators to help determine your exit strategy. On the downside, Microsoft faces its first support level at $340.67. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point for traders, as a rebound could be anticipated. According to multiple analyst sources, Microsoft has a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 1, 2023, Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, sold 1162 shares of common stock. On October 16, 2023, Alice L. Hoya, an insider, sold 177,075 shares of common stock. On September 18, 2023, Christopher David Young, another insider, bought 11,442 shares of common stock. On September 18, 2023, Bradford L. Smith, an insider, also bought 23,646 shares of common stock. On September 18, 2023, Amy Hood, yet another insider, purchased 26,697 shares of common stock. Considering the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 10.430. Overall, insiders have bought 397,483 shares and sold 336,702 shares in the last 100 trades. For our recommended stop loss, we suggest setting it at $341.65, which is a decrease of 3.16%. This particular stock experiences minimal daily fluctuations, resulting in lower risk for investors. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom that was identified 6 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good investment? Microsoft shows several positive signals and has broken the weak upward trend. With the stock being in great technical shape, we consider it to be a favorable choice at its current levels. Furthermore, we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, November 6, we predict Microsoft to open with a decrease of $1.29, starting at $351.51. Before we begin, it's important to understand the risks involved in trading. Please note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It is highly recommended to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know what your target is for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our future content. As always, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.